What's up guys, Junior here with Fuller Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and we're here with American Force in the Wheel Pros booth. If you didn't know, Wheel Pros acquired American Force about a year and a half, 2 years ago now, and they have like 9 million designs and styles, and these are 9 million in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Not really, but
pretty close.
pretty close. So they every year come out with a ton of different styles, and they like keep all of their styles. And you go on the website and you look at American Force and you scroll, you will scroll for 6 days before you reach the bottom of the page, because with Forged wheels the options are just endless. So these are T6061 aluminum. They've always been that. That's what everybody knows. We don't have to probably re-explain it to you because you guys know, because you pay attention. So something that's not necessarily new to American Force, but I know we haven't showcased it before, is this 10 lug option. So this looks like a wheel that you'd see on a semi or a big rig, or obviously a 10 lug truck, but it's actually an 8 lug wheel underneath this, and this is just a cap. So if you wanted, they called it the big rig look on your 8 lug truck, you can do that with these American Forces. Obviously they also have the options in dualies as well, but if you just want the standard wheels for your regular single wheel truck, you can do that too.
And then American Force has a bunch of crazy finishes. The only one that's on this side that's kind of crazy is the blue, obviously, and then this like flaky,
it's like gunmetal-y,
flat, gray
satin
thing. And then American Force has billet caps offered. They're about like $600-ish. Yep. They normally send plastic caps. If you want the billet ones, they're about that much more. And then on the billet caps, they have two options. There's basically the typical like American Force logo that they have. And then this year they've also released this style, which looks kind of like a Pac-Man eating the American Force logo. So that's an option only on the billets. So if you're ordering billet caps, which they sound like metal, which is, it's weird because you're used to like seeing this metal wheel and you see a plastic cap and it's like, it looks okay, but it's like, whatever. That they now have these billet options out there, and they have this different cap design out there for just the billets. Let's jump to the other side and show them the concave series and some of the crazy colors.
So this then is the concave series, and as the name implies, all of these wheels have concavity.
And the colors are insane. So this is basically just American Force kind of flexing their colors that they have available out there. There's like this gold with the crazy flake to it. There's a brushed with red windows.
Yeah, almost looks like a two-piece wheel in the way that this finish is done.
And then there's like flat gold, there's blue, there's like a rose gold pink with like a brushing in it. So like all of these options are available through American Force, through Custom Offsets. You just got to fill out the quote form, customoffsets.com/quote. And then you can basically get any color, any whatever you want.
With Forged wheels and with American Force, the options are basically endless, and it's because they basically just machine everything and make wheels to order. So when you place an order, it does take about 6 to 8 weeks usually to get your order, or for the wheels to be made before they get shipped out.
The wait is worth it for what you get.
You get something completely custom, and it looks like, you know, a one-of-one wheel. So super cool.
So next we're gonna check out the 30x16 that American Force just released this year.
And it's outside, so we gotta take a trip.
Go get it.